The woman acclaimed by Guinness World Records as the world's deepest female scuba diver has just dived deeper still, claiming a new record 10.6 meters beyond the one that she set in March last year. South African technical diver Karen van den Over descended to 246.65 meters on open circuit in the renowned Bushman's Hut cave in northern Cape Province. The dive site, the world's third deepest known sinkhole, lies at an altitude 1.5 kilometers above sea level, making it particularly challenging in terms of decompression times. The dive, which took place on the 27th of October, lasted 8 hours and 11 minutes, and the record now awaits official verification by the Guinness World Records. Van den Over is an instructor with Technical Diving School somewhere out there diving, or SWAT, S-W-O-T, members of which supported her dive, and she said, "A massive thank you to the most amazing dive team. Without you, none of this is possible." Breaking the cave depth record became her personal goal in 2004, but van den Over took up technical diving in 2006 to gradually build up the skills and confidence to attempt this record, according to the Guinness World Records. She actually trained with Nuno Gomes, who in 1996 had set the men's deepest cave dive record at 282.6 meters, again in Bushman's Hut, and he has acclaimed his former student's latest achievement. So a huge congratulations to Karen and the entire team. It's a massive achievement, and hopefully Guinness will verify it before long. For more scuba diving news, subscribe to the Scuba Diver Magazine channel. Thank you for watching, everybody, and of course, safe diving.